Welcome back. In fact, Imran Ahmad, before we went into the break, we spoke about how Kishore Purreddy was referring to the state DGP. And the DGP, of course, while there are serious questions being raised of the police, the High Court granted Allu Arjun bail the same day, saying that he could not be held responsible as due permissions were taken. And now you have the Hyderabad Commissioner of Police, I beg your pardon, C.V. Anand, who has in fact blamed the national media. He says, national media has behaved, it's totally bought over, no shame, bought over. I'm telling you this, go ahead, that's my understanding of your behavior. I mean, when, some amount of criticality is there in our reportage of what's happened there, is this any kind of language for a responsible police officer to use? Imran Ahmad Ali.
With respect to the language, I think he is the person who gets best answer. He is the question with respect to his language is best answered by him. However, we need to understand the fact that these are two different matters. First is whether he was entitled to bail or not. Yes, he was entitled to bail and that's why he got it. The second is a quashing petition. Now, in this particular matter, the entire evidence will be brought on record. And here the Commissioner of Police specifically says that A, he was not granted permission to meet the actor. B, he specifically informed the manager of the actor to meet the actor and he was denied the particular permission. And third, the actor insisted on staying in the premises even after there being a law and order situation.
But that's being denied by Allu Arjun.
When brought on
but that's the whole point. That's being denied outright by Allu Arjun. He says that permissions were taken. There were police present over there. If there are police present at that location, without permission, how is the police present there? How do they know the actor is going to be there?
These are two different issues. Whether the police was informed or not, and whether the law and order situation at that particular moment, because the police specifically has taken a stand.
Of course it's material.
Theater only had one entry and exit point.
No, Imran, it is very material because if the police was present at the spot, this whole claim that they told that they did not give any permission or that they were not aware of Allu Arjun arriving there, all those arguments fall flat.
No, see, I'll give you a different example. The parliament is a highly secured area, yet there was a parliamentary attack, right? So the fact that the police presence was available at ground does not mean that that would not escalate. It was an unprecedented, the kind of fan following these actors have. These situations are unprecedented. No one can fathom as to the number of people who have collectively gotten there, and a lady has lost her life and a child's got injured.
Imran, so I don't see the parallel here, frankly. It's a very different set of things. It's a very different set of things that you're comparing it to. Of course, an attack happened in Parliament, but let me bring in Kishore Purreddy. Kishore Purreddy, is this what the police there in Hyderabad are saying? Because from what I've read and heard, it's a pretty different version from what Imran is saying today.
Madhav, a case has been filed, the actor has been arrested, the court gave him bail, the investigation is underway, there will be a trial, he is A11 accused, right? I mean, let the law take its course. Why is this? It's been December 4th and today, December 22nd. For around 20 days, I mean, this has been the highlight of the Telangana news. Why so? Just because an actor is involved. And yesterday, the guy who attacked Allu Arjun's house, he is now, Srinivas Reddy is now exposed as being one of the Karyakartas or even Youth Congress leader from Kodangal, the native place of CM Revant Reddy. So, the government has been acting very high-handedly, and that is one thing the opposition has been highlighting. Why this high-handed behavior?
Okay, we'll have to leave it there. Kishore Purreddy, Mir Inayat Ali Bakri, as well as Imran Ahmad Ali and Syed Asad Abbas, we'll have to leave it there. All eyes, of course, on what will really transpire as far as this particular case is concerned. And of course, we have some breaking news coming in at the moment.